Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. Today is day 9, November 9th, and we'll be discussing ranking colleges. On the FAFSA form, there will be 10 fields in which you can enter the student's colleges of interest. And so, depending upon the requirements of the college and the student's preference and ranking order, it may be important to list their highest priority college first, followed by the second and third, and so on and so forth. This can also impact scholarships and grants awarded to the student, depending upon the instructions in the application for the college or for the specific scholarship. The FAFSA will have 10 fields in which colleges can be entered, and if the student would like to enter more colleges, they can log into studentaid.gov and follow the instructions to enter more colleges than 10. So again, it's really important that the student is paying close attention to all of the requirements on each college's application and information on their website so they can understand the importance of how to rank the colleges or if it's even necessary. So make sure the students do that so they don't miss out on any potential money. We're not leaving any money on the table, right? So that's the tip for day 9. Please remember to like and share and invite others to join in on this worthwhile information. Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.